This micro-credential deals with event logs in cybersecurity and consists of 5 targeted skills. This targeted skill explains the types of event logs. Event logs capture various types of events that occur within a computer system, network, or application. These logs provide a comprehensive record of activities, errors, warnings, and other notable events. There are different types of event logs commonly found in computing environments. 1. System event logs. They capture events related to the overall functioning of the operating system and hardware components. These logs include startup and shutdown events that record when the system is booted up or shut down, driver and service events that are related to the installation, removal, or malfunctioning of drivers and services, and hardware events that report hardware failures, device connection or disconnection, and resource utilization. 2. Security event logs focus on capturing events related to security incidents, access attempts, policy violations, and other security-related activities. Examples of security event logs include audit events that record user authentication successes or failures, access attempts to secure resources, and policy violations. Account management events that document changes to user accounts, password resets, user group modifications, and privilege escalation. And intrusion detection, prevention events that track suspicious network activities, port scans, and attempts to exploit vulnerabilities. 3. Application-specific event logs generate their own event logs to record events specific to their operations. These logs provide insights into the behavior and performance of the application. Examples include application errors that are logs that capture application-specific errors, crashes, and exceptions. User activity logs that record events that track user interactions with the application, such as login, logout events, form submissions, or file accesses. And performance metrics that record events that measure and record application performance metrics, including response times, resource utilization, and throughput. 4. Database event logs are database systems that generate logs to record events related to data management and transactions. These logs include transaction logs that record database transactions, including inserts, updates, and deletes, allowing for transaction recovery and data integrity. Error logs that capture errors encountered during database operations, such as syntax errors, connection failures, or deadlock situations. And database maintenance logs that document database backup and restore operations, index rebuilds, and other administrative tasks. 5. Web server event logs maintain event logs to record web server specific events and activities. These logs include HTTP access logs that capture requests made to the web server, including source IP addresses, requested URLs, status codes, and response sizes. Error logs that record errors encountered during web server operations, such as 404 not found errors or server-side script failures. And performance logs that track web server performance metrics, including response times, connection counts, and throughput. 6. Network device event logs come from routers, switches, and firewalls that generate event logs to record network-specific events. These logs include network traffic logs that capture information about network traffic patterns, including source and destination IP addresses, port numbers, and protocols. Device management logs that are used for events that track device configuration changes, firmware upgrades, and device status information. And security logs that record security-related events on network devices, such as attempted unauthorized access or firewall rule violations. It's important to note that the specific types of event logs may vary depending on the operating system, applications, and devices being used. Each type of event log provides valuable information for monitoring, troubleshooting, and evaluating security analysis and system optimization in their respective areas. Effective analysis and interpretation of these event logs can help identify and mitigate issues, detect security incidents, and improve the overall performance and reliability of computer systems and networks. Finally, multiple logs will often need to be analyzed together to find patterns or anomalies.